Hey there, welcome to my room at the Mercure Paris La Sorbonne. Come on in. Right behind the door, you'll find a small closet area with robes, slippers, and a safe, a small toilet room with a sink outside of it, alongside the standing shower. With a double bed, this room came with a mini fridge and espresso machine just like the Mercure I stayed in Bordeaux. Right outside my window, I could see into the classrooms at La Sorbonne. Breakfast was an option. This was a smaller spread than what I had in Bordeaux. In the lobby, there's a bar, along with a little outdoor patio area, with more seating inside as well. I chose this hotel because of its proximity to the Pantheon and the Jardin de Luxembourg. So I dealt with having a petite chambre, but a wonderful place. So I hope you enjoyed checking out the Mercure Paris La Sorbonne with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I am FunSized.